Uslu Machine Recycling Systems. Uslu Machine entered the business world in 1990 with the production of a reducer. In 2002, they had begun to produce recycling. Plastic recycling machines and recycling line systems have been well established for a quarter of a century, both at home and abroad. All our products that we produce appeal to every aspect of plastic recycling, such as the powerful plastic shredder, plastic breakers, plastic washing and drying pool systems, vertical and horizontal warming machines. In the framework of the reduction and recovery of the size of any plastic material, all the products we produce are designed to run free of problems for many years. Uslu Machine aims to develop and implement engineering solutions that are fast, affordable, reliable, easy to implement and able to adapt to different conditions without sacrificing quality to the standard or most complex recycling needs of the plastic industry. Moreover, with a wide range of recycling machines and systems, it has embraced absolute customer satisfaction in the projection phase, from post-sales, domestic and overseas installation and service. Our references include the strong and giant names of Turkey in areas such as Ak Yıldız Plastik, Sanem Plastik, Hür Plastik and Bambi Furniture. We have built and will continue to build fast-growing plastic production and recycling industry, environmentally and human health and resource-saving machines. Uslu Machine Recycling Systems. A good machine for a cleaner world.